everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to invite a contributor to your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this video is the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have and own on your Squarespace account. As you can see here guys, we currently have only one website and this is the website we will be using for today's video. So guys, the first thing you want to do guys is open up your website. We will do that by clicking the website name right here. And after clicking the name guys, you can see this will now open up our website in the page. As you can see here guys, if you look at the left side of the screen, you have a couple of options that you can use for editing your website, such as pages, design, and so on. What we want to do guys, go ahead and find this second to last option right here called settings, and go ahead and click on settings right here. After clicking on settings guys, you want to go ahead and find this option right here called permissions. You want to go ahead and click on permissions. And after clicking on permissions guys, now you see that there is an option right here called invite contributor. This is the option that we want to use to invite a contributor to our website. So go ahead and click on that guys, and now you can enter their name, their email address. You can select what kind of access you want to give them. You can either give them administrator access or website editor, analytics, and so on. After filling in everything that it needs to be filled in guys, after giving all the information, you will go ahead and click this option right here called invite. Clicking the button, then you will successfully invite the person to be a contributor to your website. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.